Christine is about to slay today. She's about to go ham.
I've never drove your car before.
I want her to experience the turbo and see if she likes it. It's gonna be good, you know. As they say, it's turbo weather right now because the cold air. The car should feel pretty good. The car actually never really let us down. I'm excited to see what happens today. I'm excited to drive. I'll do a couple laps, but mainly Christine is gonna be driving. Yeah, guys, the car's ready. It's always ready.
We had the easiest drift prep, or Blaine did everything, but it seemed like it was super easy.
Realign the rear.
Oh yeah, and we got it spot on the first try.
Yeah, we took out all the camber in the rear.
Yeah.
At the ride height. Right now there's camber because it's aired out, but yeah, we took out all the camber at ride height because we want more grip, right? We want to freaking pound this thing and go fast. So yeah, it's also a little bit different setup. So we'll see how it goes today.
That was scary.
That's an expensive bumper that she just broke.
Oh, is that it right there?
She does this all the time. Flashback to when she broke the 350Z bumper. Oh my god. Remember when I was talking about like Christy's the only one that damages the car? This is what I'm talking about.
Oh man.
Oh no, this is right here.
Oh, so we're missing this whole top section? Okay, go for it, you got it?
Sorry.
That's fine. I'm just gonna go rip your bumper apart now. Chat! W is in the chat for Christine. It feels way different, yeah, from the first time. It feels like more gripped, yeah.
It feels good.
Yeah, it feels way better.
I just need the seat to stop sliding, and it kept like freaking going back.
You touched the back seat.
Every time you shift, yeah. Oh, the car looks good though. It freaking leaks so much gas though. I feel like I was hitting just over angle on each turn, just boom, and whipping it. But it holds that angle.
Yeah, just powering through.
And it felt good though. So Bradley just did a couple laps in the car and he loves it. I'm just trying to get him motivated to freaking build his S14 up. But so far so good, guys. Christine's doing amazing. I only did a couple laps, but the car does well. So I'm comfortable with Christine going out there and figuring it out. So she only broke my expensive bumper. Right?
Yeah.
Halfway point, what do you think? What do you think about the car?
I think you have to drive it way faster than like a 350Z.
Yeah, this car you have to drive aggressive. Look at that thing, look at that
thing. Doesn't that look cool?
That's pretty cool.
That looks like I want to race that thing.
Oh, and is that a little kid driving?
No way.
No, it's an adult.
Oh.
So this is what the bumper looks like. They're missing this whole section.
Oh damn.
It only has this now.
So Bradley said that that end came off, and then this was dragging.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then it finally ripped off.
Oh.
So I wonder if the other piece is still on the car. Oh no, it wouldn't be.
Oh man.
Well, there's more content coming your way, guys. Christy's gonna show you guys how to fix a fiberglass bumper.
I don't know how to fix fiberglass bumpers.
Okay, well then she's just gonna buy a new one then, I guess. Trying to find the right music. She wants to find the most ghetto-est course track.
I know the second one was worse.
Nuts, girl! No! Damn! It's all good here. Just the over fender right here.
Yeah. Oh damn.
Well, good.
I mean, you guys got another shell at the house?
Yeah. She said breaking the bumper was not enough. She could not go the whole day with just breaking the bumper. She's like, I always break bumpers. She's like, I gotta smash. I gotta smash the wall today.
Blaine's like, okay, next time we're bringing your S14.
We're supposed to bring the S14. That's the thing. Ready? I'll film you. So we just looked at it. It's not too bad. So she's gonna go back out. We just swapped the tires. I think the reason why is because there's literally no thread on this tire left. It's like bald. So blame it on the tires. Part of drifting. So it is what it is. Up today, guys. We had a very eventful day. A lot of minor issues that we were able to solve, but that doesn't take the cake, you know what I mean? It is what it is though. It's part of drifting. We drove the car, or Christine drove the car, and she did the damn thing.
I'm sorry.
It's all good, you know what I mean? We built this car to drift and we drifted it, so it could have been way worse. We were looking at it and that's probably the best place to have hit, because if it had hit the middle, this whole thing probably would have been gone. So, I mean, it is what it is. Luckily, it didn't crumble. The hatch is totally perfect. So, it is what it is. You guys will see more content of that and of this. But, like I said, we have the Skyline, so I'm not too bummed out about this. This car was meant to be driven, so we're gonna drive it.
Oh yeah, after you crashed, like, it was, whoa. I was
yeah, young, it's the thing. This was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change. I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me. No, I don't need nobody. Yes, I was so naive. Somehow I'm still all in on me.
Perfect.